y'all? It's the Brat. I'm back once again, and today we're gonna be doing just a quick closure wig install. And as you can see, I look rough, but I'm gonna show y'all how to just quickly put a closure wig on and just go on about your day. Like, this is an everyday thing for me. So first, I'm gonna start with to be spray. I'm gonna use glue for my lashes because I will be putting lashes on. I'm gonna have a blow dryer. I'm gonna be using Iron brand. It doesn't matter what brand you use as long as it can blow cold air. Got to be gel. I'm gonna be using this styling foam by Erica J. It's really good. I really like it. I love this edge control. It's called She's Bomb. A closure wig that I made months ago. This is an old handy dandy wig. I'm gonna sanitize my hands because germs is germs, and will be laying my edges with She's Bomb. So with the She's Bomb edge control, I will be using a toothbrush, an old school toothbrush.
So damn bright that my blinders cannot see. So y'all see how natural I am and how curly my hair is. It looks nappy to some people. I mean, hey, whatever you want to call it. Shit, I call it nappy sometimes damn self, you know. But shit, I'm really just natural. But yeah, so we just gonna slick these edges in the right direction. I will be wearing my wig. I'm getting a bust down. Now, edges are real simple, you know what I mean? You can really do your edges however you would like. It's not like they really gonna be showing, but I just kind of try to get the process going a little bit. So
I'm just gonna turn my blow dryer on cool just to kind of get my edges. So I'm gonna close my edge control because you don't want anything to get it in your products. So when you're done with your products, y'all, please close them. Put the lid on them. Don't leave nothing open. That just leaves room for germs to learn. So remember, I made this wig with my hands months ago. It is very old.
I'm just trying to show y'all a different way. You don't always have to lean on the got to be spray. But it works the same. These are probably the best products that I like to use when it comes to applying my wigs. And because I'm wearing a middle part, I'm just going to put it right here in the front. I have a really big forehead, so sometimes I will sit my wig up a little bit in front of my hairline. So, you see it's kind of wet right here. I already have a band in there because like I said, it's old, so I've already sized my head. So I'm just showing y'all how to quickly throw your wig on. So you got a quick day and you want to get cute, I'm just showing you the quick one too to get ready. So, I'm going to place it right on top of that wet area where that gel was, okay? I hate that I ran out of the black strips, the clips. 2 clips, and then also guys, when you're using this gel, it gives you a little bit of leeway, like time to kind of position it exactly where you want it before it drops. Cause that spray, baby, that spray gonna dry so fast, you gonna be spraying again. So I'm going ahead and put my blow dryer on cool air until I feel like it's sticking to my skin.
However long it takes your lace to stick to your head, you're just gonna check it like this, tug on it a little bit, and just make sure that it's dry all over.
A little hair from right here. Okay? Little bit.
And it's for both people who don't know and people who do.
And I'm just making a little bit of baby hair. And then I'm going to use my styling foam from Erica J. Yeah, it works so well. And I'm just going to kind of mold my hair and lay this baby hair exactly how thick they are. I'm just going to, just kind of mold my hair in the right way. And basically, with that, you just really, trying to cover your little lace. Especially if you got a boyfriend or something, you know how they can be. They just be all in your head, trying to see. You know what I'm saying? Your baby hairs do not have to be perfect, but as long as you like them, I don't do too much, because honestly, I'm still learning baby hairs because they just not easy. I'm not even gonna sit here and lie to y'all. Look natural. And sometimes you gotta play with it, see, I like that. Sometimes you gotta play with it to kind of get it to where you really like it. There we go. A little bit in the front, come in with my cool air. And then just comb it the way that I want it to go. It's pretty stuck. So, I have it going how I pretty much want it. Even from the front, standing up just a little bit. Like, some people like their hair super flat. Like I said, it depends on where I'm going. And, yeah, that's how I'm molding my hair. Depending on where I'm going. I'm just about to go to Walmart and make some groceries. So, again, this is a quick 1-2. A quick 1-2 wig install for... And sometimes with wigs, just comb it out. You know what I mean? Sometimes you get that little corner, sometimes back there. Just go in, spray it, mash it down. You know? Nothing wrong with it. It happens to all of us. The point is to mold your hair. Mold your hair to your life. So, now, the wig is on. The wig is on. I'm going to go ahead and just add a few little curls just to comb them out and just make a regular everyday look. So when you're curling your hair, make sure you wrap those ends around the curling iron just to make sure you don't have those fishtail ends, like it's not straight and then the rest of your hair is curled. That's ugly. Nobody likes their hair curled like that, so just take your time. It don't take you this long doing this. It's just that I'm taking my time to show y'all the steps, and the better you get at something, the quicker. So I'm gonna curl it, and then I'm gonna comb it out with a really, really big comb. So, once again, just make sure you're wrapping those ends so you don't have the ugly ends. So I'm gonna do this in 2 sections. So, one more left. The only reason why I hate curling my hair, well, sometimes it just depends on the occasion. I really, really, really like wearing my hair straight, like bump straight. Like, that's just me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this last piece. And be careful, y'all, when y'all curling your hair. Do not burn yourself. Because trust me, I used to burn myself all the time. So it's nice and flat.
Very big wide tooth comb. And if you
Just comb it out. You can style it however you want. Like I said, to each his own. I like mine in like one big wave, so that's what I do. And I just pass over the top just to make sure. Sometimes I'll use my hot comb, but yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I put on my everyday wig. And I just quick curl it and go my way, You style it how you want it. I like it real lazy because I feel like it's just easy and it's natural. So, and that's how I install my closure wigs. Peace.
It was capitalism. Billions of souls around the world have been able to pull themselves out of poverty thanks to 5 incredible innovations: globalization, free trade, property rights, the rule of law,